Aloha, everyone. Happy holidays. Pau Hana Fridays are created in appreciation of our PUALANI Elite and Premier Club members. They happen on the first Friday of every month. It's wonderful to have you all here this evening. Tonight's musical guest will be Mr. Eric Lee. Eric Lee is known for his creative musical arrangements and his desire to honor the Hawaiian language. This evening's food partner is Foodland this evening, and this is going to be really good. They're offering their popular mini poke bowls, California rolls, and Hawaiian-style shrimp cocktails. Sit back, relax, and unwind as we kick off your Pau Hana Friday. Aloha, everyone. Mahalo.
Oh, nice hand from Mapu there.
Hawaiian Santa is a sight to see when he comes surfing into Waikiki. He wears them all around his big old pool, singing a Merry Christmas and waving to you. Hawaiian Santa with a great big hat will climb the window into your grass shack. He danced the hula around the Christmas tree, bringing a lot of presents for you and for me. Soft guitars are playing Christmas songs to fill the tropic skies. Cold, cold palms are swaying. Santa's here again in paradise. Hawaiian Santa goes around the aisle and does the hula with a great big smile. He waves aloha with a Christmas cheer. Mele kalikimaka and Happy New Year. Soft guitars are playing Christmas songs to fill the tropic skies. Cold, cold palms are swaying. Santa's here again in paradise. Paradise. How'd you like to spend Christmas on Christmas Island? How'd you like to spend your holidays away across the sea? How'd you like to spend Christmas on Christmas Island? How'd you like to hang your stockings on the great big coconut tree? How'd you like to stay out late like the islanders do? Wait for Santa to sail in with your presents in a canoe. If you ever spend Christmas on Christmas Island, you will never stray forever day. Your Christmas dreams come true. How'd you like to stay all day like the islanders do? Wait for Santa to sail in with your presents in a canoe. If you ever spend Christmas on Christmas Island, you will never stray forever day. Your Christmas dreams come true. You will never stray forever day. Your Christmas dreams come true. Hawaiian Santa goes around the aisle and does the hula with a great big smile. He waves aloha with a Christmas cheer. Mele kalikimaka, mele kalikimaka, mele kalikimaka, mele kalikimaka, mele 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 kalikimaka. And Happy New Year.
There's some Christmas tunes from the islands.
Mahalo. Thank you.
That was nice. That was okay. So far, so good.